Elon Musk has just made an astonishing announcement that could change the way we view EV batteries forever. The future, where lithium isn't the foundation of Tesla's success, is fast approaching. So what could replace lithium? This isn't just about upgrading technology, it's about revolutionizing production, cutting costs, and making electric vehicles EVs more affordable than ever before. Stick around as we dive into the exciting details of Tesla's 2025 battery plans, which are poised to rewrite the rules of the game. And before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and help the AutoFusion channel reach its goal of 8,579 new subscribers. Your support really makes a difference. Have you ever wondered why electric car batteries are so costly? Tesla has a plan to change that. Tesla's 2025 battery refinery is designed to improve lithium-ion cell production, which is a crucial element in electric vehicles, by converting raw lithium into battery-grade lithium hydroxide. This high-purity material is necessary for creating long-lasting and efficient batteries. Raw lithium, extracted from mines, contains impurities that can negatively impact battery performance. The refinery is part of Tesla's strategy to tackle the rapidly expanding lithium market, which was valued at $7 billion in 2023 and is expected to surpass $20 billion by 2030. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for EVs and energy storage solutions. Musk first introduced the concept of this refinery in 2020 during Tesla's Battery Day, stressing the importance of vertical integration to lower costs, improve supply, and streamline operations. By refining essential materials like lithium, nickel, and cobalt in-house, Tesla plans to lessen its dependence on external suppliers and reduce risks linked to material shortages and price fluctuations. The refinery is expected to start operations in 2025, aligning with Tesla's broader mission to accelerate the shift to sustainable energy. Do you know where Tesla's new battery refinery will be located and when it will start producing these high-tech cells? Tesla's 2025 battery refinery, strategically placed in Texas, is a major step forward in transforming EV production and securing its battery supply chain. Texas offers business-friendly policies, strong industrial infrastructure, and its close proximity to Tesla's gigafactory in the state makes it an ideal location. Texas is already a key hub for vehicle production, such as the Model Y and Cybertruck, as well as for the production of advanced 4,680 battery cells. The refinery's proximity to the gigafactory will streamline the entire production process, cutting transportation costs for critical materials like lithium. Texas also benefits from excellent transportation networks, abundant industrial land, and nearby lithium mining operations, which further help in controlling the entire supply chain. The refinery, set to open in 2025, will help Tesla reduce the cost of producing electric vehicles, respond to the increasing global demand, and strengthen its position as a leader in the transition to sustainable energy. Texas is gearing up to supercharge Tesla's EV efforts. What do you think the refinery's biggest impact will be? Boosting production, slashing costs, or something else? Share your thoughts below. Is it true that refining lithium within the country is the key to making electric cars travel further and cost less? Refining lithium is indeed a crucial step in producing EVs and their batteries. High-quality lithium hydroxide significantly boosts battery energy density, thermal stability, and overall reliability, making it an essential element in modern battery tech. Technology. The energy density is expected to increase by 20 to 30%, which could enable electric vehicles to achieve ranges of 400 to 500 miles per charge, compared to the 300 to 350 miles that lower quality materials provide. Improved thermal stability helps reduce overheating risks by maintaining operating temperatures with 20 to 30% less heat generation. This also means that battery reliability could be extended by 10 to 15%, adding 1 to 2 extra years of use. With EV demand projected to grow by 17 to 20% annually through 2030, refining lithium domestically could reduce reliance on international suppliers by up to 50 to 70%. This shift could lower battery production costs by 20 to 30%, which could lead to savings of $2,000 to $3,500 per EV, depending on the battery size and production scale. Are you curious about how Tesla's new battery refinery could make electric cars go farther, charge faster, and cost less all at once? In its first phase, Tesla's 2025 battery refinery will focus on producing high-quality raw materials essential for the 4,680 cell production. Thanks to the use of high-purity lithium hydroxide and advanced battery refining processes, Tesla's 4,680 cells will deliver exceptional performance across all key areas. These cells are expected to offer a 15 to 20% increase in energy density, enabling Tesla vehicles to achieve ranges of 500 to 600 miles per charge, compared to the typical 300 to 400 miles of standard batteries. The high-quality refined materials also allow for charging speeds up to 50% faster, reducing the time needed to fully charge a battery from 30 minutes to as little as 15 to 20 minutes. The durability of these batteries is another benefit, with the lifespan of 4,680 cells expected to last 1.5 to 2 million miles, far surpassing the 1 to 1.5 million miles of traditional battery packs. Additionally, these high-purity materials improve thermal management, reducing heat generation by 30% and ensuring safe operation under high loads. The 4,680 cells are designed to work reliably within a wide temperature range of 4 degrees to 122 degrees, minimizing the risks of overheating and thermal runaway. Currently, these cells cost around $100 per kilowatt-hour, but Tesla aims to cut this cost by 50% in the coming years, targeting a cost of $50 per kilowatt-hour. This reduction will be driven by the 2025 battery refinery, which will lower supply chain costs through vertical integration and control over raw material refinement. Economies of scale, achieved through Tesla's Texas gigafactories and increased production and recycling efforts, will further reduce raw material costs. As a result, the cost of producing 4,680 cells could drop by $5,000 to $10,000 per battery pack, making Tesla's vehicles more affordable without compromising on performance or range. Would you prefer a Tesla that charges in 20 minutes or one that can travel 600 miles per charge, or both? Let us know in the comments. Long story short, how can Tesla's battery refinery make your dream EV more affordable? Thanks to the advanced 4,680 battery technology and lower costs, the overall price of Tesla cars could decrease by 8% to 17%. This significant price drop will make Tesla's electric vehicles more affordable and accessible to a broader customer base. With these advancements in battery technology, the Model 3, which currently costs around $44,000, could see its price fall to $35,000 to $37,000, offering even greater value for those seeking an entry-level electric vehicle. The Model Y, priced around $37,000, could drop to $33,000, making it more accessible for those looking for a versatile, long-range electric SUV. The Model S, currently starting at $88,000, could see its price reduced to $78,000 to $83,000, making luxury electric driving more affordable. The Model X may also drop in price from $89,000 to around $77,000 to $81,000, combining space, power, and cutting-edge technology at a more competitive price point. The much-anticipated Cybertruck, expected to start at $74,400, may see the base model priced as low as $66,900, making this rugged electric truck more affordable without compromising on innovation. Meanwhile, the Model Q, a future budget-friendly compact EV, is expected to start at $20,000 to $25,000, making it the most affordable option in Tesla's lineup. The Juniper, a future mid-size electric SUV, is expected to cost between $45,000 to $50,000, offering an economical choice for those seeking a versatile family EV. Which Tesla would you like to drive? Tell us your dream ride in the comments. Tesla's 2025 battery refinery will undoubtedly disrupt the competition. This innovation is set to significantly reshape the global automotive market, especially in the EV sector. Tesla's 4,680 battery cells, with higher energy density, longer lifespan, and reduced production costs, give the company a distinct advantage. While competitors like General Motors and Ford rely on batteries from LG Chem and SK Innovation, and Volkswagen collaborates with QuantumScape for solid-state technology, Tesla's in-house production of 4,680 cells, backed by the new refining process, offers a more integrated, scalable, and cost-efficient solution. This vertical integration, control over raw material refinement, battery production, and manufacturing sets Tesla apart as other automakers are still refining their battery strategies. However, it's the customers who will ultimately be the biggest winners. Tesla's battery refinery will have overwhelmingly positive effects for both current and potential customers. The sharp reduction in battery costs will directly close the price gap between electric vehicles and traditional internal combustion engine ICE vehicles. Currently, entry-level EVs are priced around $40,000, which makes them 10% to 60% more expensive than comparable ICE vehicles. But with the efficiencies generated by the battery refinery, EV prices could drop to between $30,000 and $35,000, narrowing the gap to 0% to 40% and making EVs much more competitive with traditional vehicles. This price drop will increase accessibility, allowing more consumers to consider EVs and accelerating the adoption of sustainable energy solutions. As the cost of EVs continues to fall, automakers like Tesla will have more resources to invest in groundbreaking innovations, such as advanced autonomous driving technology, state-of-the-art infotainment systems, and enhanced safety features. Tesla's full self-driving system could become more accessible, providing a safer and more convenient driving experience. Infotainment systems will evolve with HD streaming, smart home integration, and voice controls. Safety will be improved with AI-powered active systems and stronger materials. Alongside these advancements, the EV charging infrastructure will expand rapidly as a result of cost reductions from refining batteries in the US. The number of charging stations in the country is expected to rise from 4 million to 35 million by 2030, with residential units making up 80% of the total. Globally, the EV charging infrastructure market is predicted to reach $42.2 billion by 2030, growing at an annual rate of 31.8%. These developments will make EVs even more accessible, efficient, and sustainable, enhancing their appeal to a wider customer base. Tesla's 2025 battery refinery is set to revolutionize vehicle production and pricing, making EVs more affordable and efficient. By advancing battery technology and embracing sustainability, Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in the EV market. With these innovations, Tesla is transforming how cars are made, priced, and delivered. Do you think Tesla's 2025 battery refinery will make EVs as common as gas cars? Yes, no, or is it totally going to change the game? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Just like Tesla's battery refinery is powering the future of electric vehicles, subscribing to AutoFusion will power up your knowledge. Join us and stay plugged into all things Tesla, from batteries to breakthroughs. Hit subscribe, and let's fuel your curiosity.